girl from Birmingham, she just had an abortion. She was a case of insanity. Her name was Pauline. She lived in a fucking tree. She wasn't the one who killed a baby. She sent her letters from the country. She was an animal. She was a bloody disgrace. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Dragged on a table in a factory, legitimate place to be. In a packet in a lavatory, die little baby screaming. Body screaming, fucking bloody mess. I'm not an animal. It's an abortion. Body, I'm not an animal. Mommy, I'm not an abortion. Throbbing, squirming, gurgling, bloody mess. I'm not a discharge. I'm not a loss in protein. I'm not a throbbing, squirming, gurgling, bloody mess. Fuck this and fuck that. Fuck it all and fuck a fucking brat. She don't want a baby that looks like that. I don't want a baby that looks like that. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, I'm an abortion. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, I'm not an animal. 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 I ain't no animal. I'm not no animal. I ain't nobody. I'm not an animal. I'm not an animal. I'm not an animal. I'm not an animal. Mommy. Ah. Now that song is called Bodies by the rock and roll band the Sex Pistols. And the song is about women do not get an abortion. That's why the Sex Pistols made that song. Bodies, the punk rock band the Sex Pistols. Because abortion is murder. A lot of people may not realize this, but an abortion, you're aborting a living creature. You're killing an innocent baby when you commit abortion. That's the reason why the Sex Pistols made the song Bodies. So people would not abort their babies. Because remember, every baby is a living creature from God. And it's sacred. So abortion is murder in the sense that you're killing an innocent child. Do share and subscribe to me, the Dennis Ramsay YouTube TV. Thank you. The Sex Pistols are a good rock and roll band. They were ahead of their time. They were singing these songs back in the 1970s. And I would have been just a kid when they were performing a lot of these rock and roll songs. But anyhow, so I hope you like the song. It's called Bodies by the punk rock band the Sex Pistols. But abortion is murder, and do not abort your babies. Let them live and grow up and have a healthy, fun life. Do share and subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. And check out the Dennis Ramsay paintings on YouTube, folk art, fine art, abstract art. I've worked at art all my life since 1984. I've been painting pictures like Vincent van Gogh had done, or Maud Lewis, or whoever. Peace out of here. Hope you enjoy the music and have a good day.